Get free gift on every order you place on Domino's Pizza for sure. Yes. Hello, namaste. How are you all? Hope you're all good. Before I get started, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. And now this free gift is applicable to all dine-ins, takeaways and home delivery. So I ordered a home delivery of pizza as you see in the picture. I've gotten a free gift along with the order. Everyone will get this free gift if you order 300 and above. But you got to apply a code while you check out. I'll speak of that in the later part of the video. So stay tuned. Now speaking of this free gift, not everyone will receive the same gift. As you see in the picture, you may receive any of these items as free gift. And not all. That means out of these 5 items, you may receive any of them. Now let's see what's the free gift I have got. I've got pizza as free gift, thin crust. But I got to say, it's not like regular pizza that we order. It has got extra cheese and the taste is completely different. Now I'll share with you how you can get free gift on Domino's. Go to Domino's app. If you're a new user, you can download the app from the Google Play Store and log in with your phone number. I'll be giving you the referral code in the description box. You can use that. Now this is how your screen looks. You can click on a shoot gift as shown in the picture and explore different kinds of pizza. If you don't want that, you have different categories. You can go check out. Now, if you want free gift, you have to add to cart 300 worth items and above. Now, after you add to cart whatever the items you require, now go to view cart. Here you see an option of apply coupon. Just click on that. You'll see here different types of coupon pop up. You see free gift coupon. Just click on apply and that's it. You'll receive a free gift. And here you can see what's the free gift you're going to get. Here you can see 100% wheat thin crust added to my surprise gift. That's it, add address. You can select any of the payment modes. You can have a Paytm to get more discount. After you order, you can check out your order. One surprise gift will be added to your items ordered. So it is not auto-applied. You got to apply as free gift. Then only you'll be receiving your free gift. So how is the free gift from Domino's? Let me know in the comment section. And what is the gift you have got from Domino's? Let me know. Have a good day. Keep smiling.